we will be doing plantain dry curry or green banana curry. The ingredients are 4 this size plantains or 2 big ones, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any cooking oil is fine, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 teaspoon urad dal and 1 teaspoon chana dal, 2 pinches of hing, 3 to 6 green chilies finely chopped or cut into half. I have used this herb mill to chop the green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt or salt to taste, few curry leaves, a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated fresh or frozen coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, and juice of half lime or lemon. Wash and peel the thin layer of this plantains as shown here. If you know the source of your plantains and there is no pesticides or anything, you can just cook this with the skin itself, or you can just take the thin layer of this plantains. We have to steam cook these plantains. Since we are grating this cooked plantains, either you pressure cook the whole plantain or you just cut into half. Don't make small pieces so that we cannot grate it after it is cooked. So make sure it is whole or cut into half to steam cook the plantains. Add enough water to this pressure cooker or any steamer. Then place these plantains, don't add the water, cover it and steam cook these plantains on medium high heat for 13 to 14 minutes and then turn off the heat. Now we have this steam cooked plantains. It's perfect. It should not be mushy. Now you can remove the skin and then grate it, or you can just leave the skin and grate this plantains. You can use this peel in the dosa batter. If you have a dosa batter, you can just grind it and add it to the dosa batter. Grated plantain is ready. If you want to measure in cups, it is around 2 to 2.5 cups of grated plantain. To make the curry, heat the oil in a pan on medium heat. Now the oil is hot enough, add hing, mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds pops, add the dals. Fry it until the dal turns golden brown. Now the dal turned golden brown, add the green chilies. Fry it for a few seconds and then add turmeric powder, grated plantains. Reduce the heat to medium low and mix it. Add salt, curry leaves and coconut. Now mix it really well. If you feel the palya or the curry is too dry, then you can sprinkle some water now. Cover it and let it cook for another minute on low heat. Now it's been a minute and this plantain curry is ready. Mix it. Turn off the heat and add chopped coriander leaves and squeeze the lemon or lime juice. Mix it and you have this delicious plantain curry ready. You can serve this with roti or as a side dish to rice. I hope you enjoy making this plantain curry. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.